In this quick video, I will show you step by step how to log into your Outlook email in every way. I will show you log into outlook.office.com, log into outlook.com, log into Outlook desktop apps that is already set up where we add another account. And finally, I will show you to log into new Outlook desktop app for the very first time. So let's get started. Let's log into outlook.office.com. Just enter your Microsoft email address, type your password, and then sign in. After entering the password, Outlook may ask for multi-factor authentication. Just approve the sign in on your phone or enter the code sent by Microsoft. Once you approve, you will be logged in and taken directly to your Outlook inbox. Next, we log in at outlook.com. Again, enter your Microsoft account email and the password. If multi-factor authentication appears, approve the request or enter the verification code. After that, your Outlook mail will open right in the browser. Now let's log in using the new Outlook desktop apps that's already set up. Here we are adding another account. Just go to add account, type in the email address, sign in, and if required, confirm with multi-factor authentication. Outlook will connect automatically and the new account will appear inside the app. Finally, let's log into new Outlook desktop app for the very first time. When you open it, you will be asked to enter your email address. Type it in, click next, add your password if prompted. Outlook will set up the mailbox and your account will be ready to use. And that's the complete login guide. Now you know every way to log into Outlook email. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.